Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python programming. Today we're going to see the project. You can say mini project also. It's a project helpful to develop the bank management system. So all of you know about the bank applications. So once you go to the bank in the real time, what happened? We can perform the operations like at the end of the program. You can understand this one. So the operation like create the new account. We have almost 8 options. As much as possible, I'll show in the short time. So like that, create the account, modify the account, deposit the account, and types of account. It may be current or savings also, and deposit, modify the account, and so many details will be there. At last, the user can check the balance also, available balances, and withdraw the money. And when I go to the option number 5, example, you can say 5, it will print the account holder list. Let's go for programming today. So very simple and easy. I'm going to execute in the pycharm. So first we are going to import the packages like pickle, then OS, then path library, and I'm going to create a class called account. So if you want to develop the coding, you can do with the help of functions only. No need to go for database or GUI also. This is a simple program. Who, if you are beginner, it will be very useful. So let's say I'm going to create the objects like account number is 0, name is equal to empty, then deposit 0 initially, type is equal to nothing. Then I'm going to call the function that is definition create number self. So here I am going to give the input like that, enter the number. So once you want to execute the bank management, we have to give all the options like enter the account number, then you can give the self dot name, that input, enter the account holder name, and type the account, whether you want to create a current account or savings account. Then we are move on to the another one, then deposit money. So we have to say initial amount, enter the initial the amount, it may be greater than or equal to 0 for savings or current, whatever there. Then come back and writing here account created. So once you give all the information, the create method, it will say everything correct. It will say print account is created. Then I'm going to use the function called show account. Here it will show the information like account number. So what I am going to enter, user going to enter here, that is account number, then holder name, similarly type of the account, then balance, and self dot deposit. We can call the self dot method self dot deposit, as you know already. Then modify account, definition modify account. Here suppose we want to modify account details, you can modify with the help of that now method called self dot name, input modify account holder name. Suppose let's say Ram is there, you can write Raman. So what I want, you can do changes. There's a use of modify account. Then I can give all the information. The modify the type of account, that means whether it's a savings or current. Then modify balance also. If you want modify anything is there, you can modify. Then I'm going to call the function called deposit amount. Say self comma amount. Then I'm going to give the self dot deposit amount. So withdrawal amount, I'm calling the method called self dot deposit up. So any bank operation which is very important, either withdraw the money or deposit, both are important. Then the self then I'm calling the function report dot self. Then it will print the information. When you want to access data, it is the information. Then get account number. So when I give return account number, so for example, I want to check the account number 5677. When I give the method function method, what will happen? It will print the balance of the current account number. What account number I can check anytime. So similarly, I'm giving the everything, get account type, everything, and get deposit of. So when you want deposit the amount, for example, account number is 5688. Deposit 2000 amount, it will be added in the account. Then I'm giving the introduction where I'm going to the title of the project, that is bank management system. Then input definition right account, I'm giving right account. Then account create account, then I'm writing account file account. Then another function I'm calling part of the display all. So I'm giving the function called definition display of. Then files called path library.path. Then accounts data. Then if file exists, so remember, so if your file is exist, it will say open accounts data and RB using, then my list equal to pickle dot load of in file. So it automatically load the file and print the list. That is for item in my list. So we are going to the print list. What are the information we're going in the create the account, that is account number, item number, name, everything would be displayed here. Then we can close the file. So pickle mod is very important to import all the data and file everything. Then I'm else, if not there, it will say no record found to display. Suppose I 56 account numbers 5689 and not create the record, it will say at that time it will say no record for no record display like that. Then I'm using the display number where I'm giving files equal to path live.path of accounts data. Then if file exists, print accounts data, the comma RB like that. Then my list dot pick dot load up in file. Then so found false like that. Then again I'm giving for item in my list. So remember, in this execution also just two records, because we are running we don't have much time to spend much here. So whenever free time you can check it out. We can do number of operations, all the operations performed here. So like that we can keep on go for the coding here. So simple and easy. Then we can write the coding for function for deposit and withdraw amount. That for that reason I'm calling the function definition deposit and withdraw num1 comma num2. Then I'm writing files code to path live.math accounts to data. Then if file exit will say same it will repeat, and my list is equal to pickle.load of in file. Then in file dot close it important. Then os dot remove account data. Then for item in my list again continuing. So if item dot account number is to number 1, it will go. The number 1 is to it will say input enter the amount to be deposit. So I create the account for 5688. So I want to deposit for 5688 account number. So you can give the option for enter the amount type deposit. Suppose I'm typing 5,000, it will be entered and data taken by the program at last executed. So pycharm is one more advantage. When you have coding doubt, you can check it out. It automatically display the purpose of the code here. So then you can give your account is updated like that. So if you are on update, suppose 2,000 is there, I'm adding 5,000, it will print after the user print, it will say 7,000 like that after updating. They'll see if it will go to another file and again continue the process and keep on work out here. So simple and easy only. The coding consists of 200 lines plus, but don't worry, it's very easy if you understand the concept here. Then out file up I'm writing open new account data. Then I'm writing pickle.dump of my list.out file. Then out file dot close up. Then os dot rename of new accounts dot data. So like that, all the information given here. Then I'm going to use the information on the function called delete account of number. Suppose I want to, for example, 5689 is there. The particular account data I want to delete, I can delete with this option. So delete account delete account of account. Then file is equal to path live dot path of account data. So when I want to delete the particular account data, I can delete it easily. I can give you the repeater lines. So simple and easy. Then I'm giving new list of for item in old list. So if item dot account number is number, new list dot append of item. Then os dot remove account data. So particular data I can remove with the help of these functions method. Then pickle dot dump of new list comma out file. Then out file dot close. Then os dot rename of new accounts dot data comma accounts dot data. So remember, whenever one we can modify the account also. That means edit or update the data. So for modifying, I can use the function called modify account of. That is say showing here. So that is like that only. So modifying the account. So whenever want, I can modify the account number. Suppose 5677 is there, I can make it as 5678 also. So again giving the line conditions here, giving the function method. So simple it is. Then I'm giving checking with the old list. If at all account number matching, you can update with the new account number. So enter the account type also. So that time you can enter the account number and modify it with the help of like that one. Item dot deposit. Already we with the help of pickle model, we already defined that. In the pickle dot dump of old list come out file, then out file dot close up like that. Then I'm giving os dot rename of new accounts dot data, then account dot data. So simple and easy. Then we are using the write account file method function. Here file is equal to say path drive dot path of accounts dot data. Then if the file is exit, it will say account to open the particular account and update it everything. Otherwise not. So again we are using the pickle mod here. Like that we are giving append, and whenever want you can add the account. That means withdraw the money, update the money. So withdraw the money, deposit the money, and close the account, modify the account. So like that you can do number of operations here. At last we are convey the coding like this. So let's go for the starting of the program. We can give like this only. Then we give introduction. Then we are going to give the condition also, that is main menu. So once you execute the program, it display the information like main menu, where you have options what. First option is new account, then deposit the money, then withdraw the money, then balance inquiry you can get, and all account holder list you can create, then close an account you can get. Suppose you want to close particular account, then modify account you can do. At last exit the project. So like that you can do number of operations. Then the user, we are the user, you can give the option 1 to 1. So when I give 1 to 8, it will say, otherwise it will say wrong only. So like that. So you can give the all the else if condition using simple and easy only. So invalid choice. If I press 9 or any other number, it will say invalid choice only. So let's go for execution here. So already I kept in the running mode. So if you want to properly, we can do it. File, create the project name called bank management or sample project like that. Or else you can directly type the source code and type it. That's why I'm going to the option of 1 here. So first option I'm giving. This is for create the account. So let's assume that the account number is 6A6789. The account number is, then I'm they're asking the account holder. I'm giving Raju like that. Then I'm giving the current savings account. I'm just writing yes, saving. I'm just write saving only. So simple and easy. Then I is asking the amount. So more than 5,000. So sorry, it may be anything. So I just giving 8,000 amount. Then now it says successfully account created here. So now again I'm giving the choice of one. So it's just showing the demonstration. Again I'm giving one option here. So I'm giving the account number. So I'm typing like just I'm saying John like that. This is example record. So account number is 7890 like that I'm giving. Then ask the account holder name. I'm just giving John like that, and is showing the asking the adjusting current account. Then I'm going to type the amount is 2,000. So here account created successfully. So when you go option 5, what will say? It will say the all the account holder information. So it's showing again. I'm typing here. So showing so successfully created. So already created 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 account holders created successfully. The amount is there. Let's assume that I'm going to some other option like option number 2. That is so deposit account number is just I'm giving 6789 like that. So I want to do something. So enter the amount of such. I'm going to deposit the amount of 2,000. For above account number, just I'm giving 2,000. Then the IORA is saying successfully your account is updated. Let's assume we go for a 5, option number 5, and check it out whether the or else you can give. Yeah, just I'm giving 5 here and showing the information. Yeah, so account number now 678989 account number, Raju account number, savings account number now updated with 10,000. So like that we can check all the values and do. Next, if you want, you can check like this. So you have 8 options. So you can do all the operations one by one. So I want to press now option number 4. That is for balance inquiry. So I'm just pressing 4 here. So balance account number, I can give the account number like this. So what, for example, I want to check it for 7890. 7890. It say the balance inquiry. Yeah, successfully saying. Now I can do another option. For this above account number, I want to withdraw some money. So withdraw option is what? 3. So I can give the option of 3. Just I'm putting 3 here. Then asking the account number. You can giving 3 here. It asking account number 7890. Just I'm asking. Just I want to withdraw the amount. That is 1,000 rupees. After that, you will update it here. So again, choice given here is showing the option of close, not close. Yes. So balance inquiry. Just I'm giving the account number again 4. So enter choice. Second giving 4 here. So it's asking the account number. Just I'm giving 7890. Yeah. So after withdrawing, yeah, the account is updated. The current value of account holder amount is 1,000 like that. So I hope that you understand session. So when I give the 8, it will exit the screen also. So 8, when I give 8, we can come out from the screen, that you exit the screen. So this is a simple project and with the source code for perform the banking operations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt or queries, we can communicate with the social media. What are going to in the description box. Thank you.